Hey y'all, it's K all day and I'm back with another video. As you see from the title of this video, I'm trying the Tostino Taki kind. So it's like the pizza rolls, but the Taki ones. I know I'm late to this, but baby, we gonna try it. And oven. We don't do oven, we do microwave. It says 110, so we're gonna do, it says 110 and then 140. So we're gonna do 120. Let's go to the microwave. Let's see how these look. I hope it's good. Okay, we about to open these up. Smells spicy. Why it look like that? Look, you see on the bad house all covered. Look how there's barely anything on there, but it smell like pizza. It don't even smell like. We just gonna do like 5, cause throw this one away. Okay, so we got it on the plate. Now we're gonna put it in for 1 minute and 20 seconds. They look about done. It says you need 35 more seconds, but I'm gonna flip them over. That's all I always do on my regular pizza rolls. Let's see. Okay guys, we're back. Now we're about to try it. First we're gonna look at the inside because it's hot. It got cheese in it. That was a terrible pull. This ain't hot. Ow. I can't even see no cheese. You can barely see the cheese. This is what the inside look like. Okay, so now we're about to try it. Wait, which one I want? I'm gonna just do this one. I don't like it. I do not like it at all. It tastes like it's too much lime. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's just not good. Now, Taki does not go well.
You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, I know, but it's too much on it. I know there's lime in Taki, but it's too much. Regular Takis don't even taste like that. But it just feels like it's too much lime, like, and it's not enough cheese in here. Like, if you're gonna be cheese bites, so people make me and it gushes out. It's not enough cheese. I'm gonna have to give that a thumbs down. I give it a 2 for effort. 2 for effort. But I do not like this. I thought I was gonna love it. It's just not it for me. So yeah, 2 for effort. I really thought this was gonna be good. Like, I had too high hopes for it, and it's just not. So hopefully y'all like it on your own, but it's not enough cheese for me. Too much lime. Like, I know Takis like have lime in it, but it's too much, more than regular Takis. But yeah, that's all I have to say for this review. Like, I'm a little sad. I expected more, even though I got less. But it's okay, because that's what happens with these reviews. But that's pretty much it for this video. So make sure you like and subscribe for more. And if you want me to keep doing more reviews, then hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. So peace. it.